Assalamualaikum viewers, Ramadan Mubarak and advanced Eid Mubarak. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very easy recipe that is very popular in Ramadan, and it's also very delicious and appropriate recipe for Eid as well. And you can see this is one of the the biggest size date I got. With that I'm gonna add almond. You can use the paste, you can also use the whole almond, so it's up to you whatever kind of almond you want to use. And with that you can use rose water if you want. You can use, and here you can see butter. You don't need this big butter, but we're just showing it. You can have 2 spoonful of butter for this much almond, and with the taste and amount you can use the sugar. To take the skin off of almond, we're just boiling it for a while. Now you put the almonds, drain the water first, and then you put the almonds on a rough towel like this. And now is the fun part. It's very easy. You just do this and you'll see the skins are getting off. Pretty simple, and it's fun. You see the skins are coming off. See, the skins are coming off, and this is almond. This is so good. I mean, like, without skin, because the skin is annoying. You don't want the skin, and it's gonna be more crispier even. Hey, look at this right now. It's white right now. It's not anymore brown, and it will be crispier if you just fry it a little bit. Now you fry them with butter. This time this is pretty simple, and it's fun part. You just take the seeds out of the date. As you can see, the seeds are coming off, and instead you put one. Let me tell you, if the date is small, you put one. If the date is big like this one, you can put two. And then you see? And then you repair it or mend it so it doesn't look like that you cut it off. You cut it apart. You see? So whoever will bite it, it's gonna be crunchy. It's gonna be really, really delicious. So you do the same thing. So this is ready.